How to change pickup time on Uber. Hello everybody, if y'all are wondering how you may follow up the step. So open up the Uber app first, and then once you open up Uber, make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you're logged in, you should be finding something this kind of interface. So what you're going to do is simply tap on the option called account at the bottom, and the space opens up. From here, you may locate the option called activity. And once you head over to activity, here what you will be having is you will be having all of the trips that you have planned. So from here, if you're trying to change the plan time on Uber, you may locate up the trip that you've already planned from your activity section. And once you do that, select the ride that you want to edit and tap on edit time, and you will be finding something this kind of interface. Just go ahead and set up a new pickup time for yourself. Confirm your changes, and once you do that, your pickup time should be changed on Uber. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.